and then I proceed and go on the campaign. We have not done anything wrong. We have not done anything wrong. We are going to our office. Okay? Yes. I am going to the office and then I'm proceeding to the rally. We have not done anything wrong. You look how many soldiers are here. But yes. Now you, the security given to me by the Electoral Commission, I'm going to move by myself. Okay? All by myself.
Move, come on, we go to border.
And even the Uganda police, headed by Mr. Kyagulanyi, knows that I'm supposed to be campaigning in Gulu City. But you have been seeing what they have been doing to me and only me. But the Uganda police and the UPDF, they blocked the road and I was not able to campaign.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.